Welcome back to Highland ADV. So I'm going to look at camera mounts and cameras. So kind of obvious how this one's taken. It's the drone and you can see the drone flying away. But how about this, the split screen? So the secret to this is to make sure the cameras are mounted in a similar location, and key is starting them both at the exact same time. It saves a lot of editing effort, so that's how you get it. Now this is the same bit of road, and it's obviously the helmet camera, and it's I use the gripper mount for this, and this one particularly is the Okasa V50 SE camera.
This whole town could be red by the end of the day. If you feel alright, we can throw it and drive. With the radio up so loud they can hear us a mile. Me and you, nothing to do. These days they come and go.
Some great footage there of the Highlands. So what about on the move with the drone? Well, there's a handlebar mount that fits the DJI Mini 2 SE hand control, and it works quite good actually. So the drone can be controlled, or you can watch it and see what it's doing rather than control it. So I've got a couple of other mounts here. One is a handlebar mount, and I've got an Okasa Brave 4 on it, looking straight up at me from the handlebars. Another one's it's an 11-inch mount that's mounted on the mounting bracket on the CB500X, and it's an 11-inch one. So I use this one as well for the E360 camera, which I'll show you in a minute.